Welcome to the new upower vlog, which focuses on the prevention of musculoskeletal disorders at work. I'm Michele Montagna, kinesiologist and posturologist, Doctor of Sports Sciences, Professor of Ergonomics, Prevention and Treatment of Musculoskeletal Disorders at Work, Certified Trainer of Health and Safety at Work. Whenever you're preparing to buy a new pair of safety shoes, you know you have a set of fundamental parameters to consider, such as class protection, footwear seasonality, lightweight, comfort and design. But what you may not know is that based on the work you do, your body reacts in a different way. And based on the safety footwear you wear, it responds more or less favourably and leaves you more or less freedom of movement. Red industry footwear is conceived for the general workers category, who are supposed to spend many hours standing in static and or dynamic positions, and for whom it's appropriate to adopt individual protection that supports the health of the musculoskeletal system. Red industry footwear differs from the other product lines for the presence of an anatomical and ergonomic insole, capable of adapting to the foot with self-modeling features, and that assures support, comfort and quality of the plantar support. Its structure, made of memory, is vented on the forefoot and raised on the back of the foot and allows optimal distribution of the body weight, decreasing articular and biomechanical load tensions. And inside there's a further anti-fatigue insert made of a special BASF compound. These two elements reduce shocks, stimulating the elastic physiological response for muscles, tendons, ligaments, joint capsules and fascias. Here is the WOW effect with considerable physiological benefits, especially on leg circulation that very often at the end of the day can be felt and perceived as heavy and tired. But why shouldn't tired and heavy legs be underestimated? These symptoms can be real alarm bells for inflammation that could also become chronic over time and become real musculoskeletal disorders. For this reason, it's essential to prevent and choose safety shoes capable of decreasing risk factors, whilst staying efficient and while preserving the delicate postural balance of the musculoskeletal system. Walking and working with red industry means feeling supported, stable and safe. Freedom of movement with upower. The PU sole also intervenes in the distribution of the load while the foot moves, that is, during the succession of the support, heel, sole, toe. The sole size gives more elasticity to the footwear, even when you assume particular postures. Difficult and uncomfortable, and in all those situations where foot mobility can make a big difference in terms of rigidity, but also agility, without limitations, and impede the natural foot movement, while preserving resistance and safety. The upower high grip tread has a special shape with sharp corners and edges that give better adhesion to the ground, ensuring maximum stability. And this guarantees not only full and immediate safety, but also prevents injuries, reducing musculoskeletal disorders. The removal of muscular effort results in less energy expenditure and more significant conservation of available resources. Minimum expense, maximum yield. When using red industry with WOW effect insoles, due to a flow of sensory information, a series of viscoelastic myofascia response reactions are activated. I mean that connective cover which envelops muscles, tendons, ligaments, joint capsules, and that they can sustain and have a circulatory effect, able to distribute the biomechanical load more efficiently and effectively, stimulate and improve circulation with a general cooling effect, increase postural stability, reduce the incidence of muscle cramps and related risk factors, improve strength and elasticity, reduce work-related stress by reducing the formation of cortisol, the stress hormone, thus strengthening the immune system, increase concentration and productivity at work. These are just some of the benefits brought by using upower red industry work shoes. The use of cutting-edge technologies facilitates and increases worker safety, and upower has skillfully combined materials and innovation with production processes that enhance the following reactions: biochemical, biomechanical, physiological, neuromuscular and bioelectric in entire systems and apparatuses of the human body, and with perceptible effects on health and well-being and the vitality of workers. If you liked the video and want to know more, read the article and share it on social media. Don't worry, be happy with upower.